It's time for the monthly PlayStation catalog refresh, and alongside new games coming, Sony has confirmed 9 titles will be leaving subscribers' libraries soon. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. The removal looks huge because 5 of these games were originally scheduled to depart the service in July, but Sony extended their stay till August. Titles disappearing from the PS Plus Extra and Premium catalog include Bomber Crew, Clash, Artifacts of Chaos, One Chambera Origin, Roki, Space Crew Legendary Edition, Dead Island 2, Earth Defense Force 6, Harold Halibut, and Unicorn Overlord. PS Plus Extra and Premium subscribers have until August 18 to get all they can out of these games or just buy them. The PS Plus Extra and Premium digital catalog is getting Avatar: Frontiers of Pandora, Rise of the Ronin, Firefighting Simulator Ignite, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Rita's Rewind, Dying Light, Citizen Sleeper 2 Star Wars Vector, and Snow Bros Wonderland. While premium subscribers also receive access to PSI Ops, The Mindgate Conspiracy, and Indigo Prophecy. There are few bangers on both the leaving and arriving catalog lists. Note that this is a separate drop from the monthly games that PS Plus Essential, Extra, and Premium subscribers can download from the PlayStation Store and keep for as long as their membership remains active. Sony's also announced this summer that it'll stop producing disc-based games in 2028 and confirmed that its next console, the PS6, won't support physical media at all. Meanwhile, Xbox is similarly building out its online and cloud marketplace, and even Nintendo is pushing digital purchases with comparatively cheaper pricing. Subscriptions and licensing agreements are the present and future of video games, for better or worse. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.